Do you recommend franchising over buying an existing laundromat or starting from scratch? C. Lee. Well, I think that there are many different routes into the business, and I've got a chart for you here later on buying versus building. Obviously, building tends to fall under the in the franchise category. I just say there's a lot of different ways to do this. We've got lots of members that have been very successful in buying an existing store. They find the right store at the right price. They are able to accomplish that due diligence. They're able to fix the store up and bring it back to life in a lot of cases, and that's a good approach. We've got plenty of people that want to build new, go big, new sells, bright, shiny new. That's a very attractive element. The total investment tends to be higher, and I guess by definition, it can be more risk in that it's a new location. With respect to building new with a distributor versus building new with a franchisor, again, I think that's a matter of looking into both of those possibilities. We have members joining every day that are part of a franchise group as a franchisee. We have members every day that are doing it themselves through the traditional distributor method, and both can be successful. So it's a matter of, just like anything else in business, trying to kind of match up your needs with whether it's a franchisor or a distributor, who's really matching up with what your needs are going to be in terms of learning the business, the financial requirements, how you want to run the business on a day-to-day basis. So those are all things I think would inform that decision as you go along.